Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up? What's up?
Good morning.
Hold on. All right, let's get it. Let's see. Make sure everything is on over here. Okay, cool. It's on. All right, all right. How's everybody morning going and starting off and all that?
No complaints.
See who we got.
Made my money for the day, so I'm good for educational purposes.
Dad, you done already made your money?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Mm, I'll get there. I haven't made mine for the day yet because I had other things popping this morning. Uh, that didn't allow me to, so I'm about to though. Watch this. And I'm getting everything set up, guys. It's coming. See that sucker went the distance of the money box again, right back up. That's 16 and some change, so actually 17 or 18. But I'm wondering is it now going to come back down again to that 2301 though. That's the limit that I see. Yeah, Bitcoin. Okay, is Bitcoin running? And my screen is moving slow. Every time I go live, it takes me in the slow land. All right. Man, this thing is moving slow. Mm. You said another low. I'm expecting Bitcoin to finish this U right here, all the way up to 61.5. Give me a second here. Let me look at Bitcoin. Get a piece of that. Waiting on this flip. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna take profits right here for Bitcoin. Yeah, the look actually is gonna go above that. It's gonna go above that. That's on 1 minute. Let's see where it's going. 5, 15. Okay, so Bitcoin is trading off the 50-minute chart today. If it wants to run, it can run all the way up here to 62,890. That'd be nice. So for now, I'll set that U completion. And let's see what gold is attempting to do this morning. Here comes Bitcoin. If anybody took that Bitcoin trade, you should be in profit. 1 minute and banks are in for what? Mm, nothing. It came in for a buy earlier and then nothing after that. Still solid. Black. Oh, that's a nice reverse action about to happen. Mm-mm. I'm waiting on the 15 minutes to give me some of those. I think it's parabolic stars, is what Merlin said they were yesterday. I'm calling them fractals, even though they're not. But yeah, I'm just waiting on this to reverse on the 15 minute. Once it reverses on the 15 minute, I'll believe it. Even the 5 minute reversal down here, 23.19. This is my level here at this plus at 23.18.15. Let me mark that. 23.18.15. Just let me know when it get close. Cool. US 30. Let's look at that.
Chef.
Yes. Yes.
There's a 4 finger sale set up on the 1 minute for
On
gold.
what? For gold? Yeah, it's been set up. The problem is it's only on the one. The five is in a buy. See, 15 is also set up for a buy.
Bye.
Hmm. And the 30 is also set up for a buy. And the 1 hour is setting up for buy. See how the cross is about to happen? 4 hour is still set up for a sale. We didn't finish. 4 hour down here. That's the real drop.
Gotcha.
You should be in profit on Bitcoin. Let's see, day chart. And the day chart is set up for a sale. So I don't know which chart is going to honor first because it's out of whack. So I see both way movement up until it makes a decision. Yep. And then if you look at levels, excuse me, Wolf Rush. Wolf Rush has from the 1 hour, it's bank blue all the way up to red. So 23.28 is where it could go. Who hit on Bitcoin? Bitcoin hit. Here it comes. Okay. Damn, there it is. Had to complete that U. That was quick. That was quick on Bitcoin. Um, it's way overbought though. It should pull back in a minute. And it did what it needed to do. But Bitcoin ain't done yet. I think it's gonna go ahead and run on the 15-minute chart today. Oh, oh, oh. All right, all right. Looks like we got a nice little segment of folks joining this morning. Um, Let me start it off. Anybody want to pray us in this morning? Anybody want to pray us in? Man, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go with it. I will mute my music. Let's go.
All right, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Our dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this wonderful day that we are able to come together as a community, be able to learn from one another, that we will learn from these great leaders who have spent time and diligence to teach us how to be profitable, consistent, world-minded leaders. We ask you to have the strength, the patience, diligence, and discipline so that we can profit as a group, be able to be a service in thy kingdom. We ask thee to please help us with our minds and our hearts to open to new ideas and be able to apply those. But not only that, we ask you for the strength to be able to follow our rules so that way we can be proper stewards of what thou hast given us. We thank you so very much for everything that our leaders have done for us, and we end this in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Hey,
Amen.
hey, yes, sir.
Amen.
Jake. Jake from State Farm, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Amen, brother. God, hamburger. Oh man, that's awesome. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm getting doing some preliminaries here. All right, let's get it back. All right. Just invited a couple people to the call. I'm doing some checks and balances here. Make sure I got everybody on that needs to be on. Okay, good enough. All right. Let's see, now I can rock. Okay, so you guys heard me say earlier that um gold it has both way movement because all the other charts are not set up. Only chart set up for a sale is 1 minute right now. That's on a lower time frame. So we got to go off of what the market is actually giving us, and it's pushing still. I think it's going to go the full distance of the box again. That's my thought on it. If you look at the 15-minute chart, if this wick passes this wick right here at 23.25, I think it's going to go all the way to 23.34, guys, and go back through the Monday box the whole distance. All right, that's just my thought on it. But it needs to pass this area right here so we can get ready. All right, and I mean pass, not just meet it, but it got to pass it. So we'll prepare for buy. Let's see, let me give a different level. I want to hit the buy before that. So let's prepare to buy to 23.28. Um, let's prepare to buy up. Yeah, let's prepare this buy. I think it's going to happen any minute. When that sucker hits my alert, I think we should be okay. It's a flat bottom. I need a series though. Y'all know me. I need a series to start to really give me that that I need to push that high. And it's not that high. It's just that that's a level of resistance that's marked on my chart and it hasn't made it there yet. That's all. Plus, on the 15-minute chart, excuse me, on the 30-minute chart, the 800 is there. So once it passes the wick here, it's going. It wants to hit that 800 EMA. It's a magnet. Right now, we children of the corn, and I don't like that. So I'm not calling anything until she acts right. US 30. Man, I need some tea this morning. I need to go make some tea. My voice is still jacked from yelling in that daggone place, that live band. I was trying to talk while the live band was playing. That does not work out for me. Uh, it looked like it's pushing, guys. So let's give it a minute. Let's see. We might be able to catch this gold money real quick and early. And looks like it's pushing now. Let's see if it's going to give us this push. And the next, I need the next candle though. Matter of fact, I got it on Hikanashi. Let's look at regular candles real quick. Yeah, the regular candle's gonna push it. All right. So if we get a flat bottom here, gold is a go for a buy, all the way up to 23.28. That's like almost 5 points away. Mhm. Let's see
Good
what it get.
morning. Good morning, Chef.
What it do?
Hello.
What it do? Is that what's up, Merlan? Calling in from the NYC.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're looking for gold to push Merlan. So let's see if it's going to push or not. Because it's setting up this little segment here, but I think it's going to channel us for a minute. It might channel us. Let me see if that was an area that I had it channel in before. Look at this. Yeah, strong consolidation in this area under red line. Strong. If you look at that, let's go to 15 minutes and take another look. Yep. Let me put a baseline right here. I'm gonna drop a baseline in. That work. I like the purple. Give me something to look at. All right, so that baseline, the purple is the baseline. So it's going to operate in this channel. So if it opens up above that purple line, we golden. We my young folks will say, we Gucci. I can't stand when my niece say that. Uncle Larry, we Gucci, huh? No, we're not Gucci. No, Fendi, uh, something else. Why gotta be Gucci? I'm just saying. She know it too. She know I can't stand what she said. If she said just to mess with, she likes to antagonize me. Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
Gucci.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
I got a question for you, Chef.
Hold on, Jake. Hold on. Then I gotta talk about my son real quick because he always asks me,
Okay,
and
talk about your son. Talk about your son.
this dude always talking about some. You feel me? No, I don't feel you. Nor do I want to. No, I don't feel you. I just had to get that out, man, because these young folks, they can talk to me any kind of way. You know, I'm 53, god dog. You can talk to me any kind of way. I'm 53. Talk to me like an older man. Older man. Come to me with some respect.
I
Okay.
just want to put you on to the lingo. That's all.
Nah, man, I don't want that lingo. Mom is using that lingo, and it is not right.
Who? Your
My
mom?
mom talking about some don't play a hate. Don't play a hate. I said, what? Who you been talking to? Don't
You know
use
your
that
mom
ever
probably like that
again.
stuff, right?
Don't play a hate. Don't play a don't hate player. That ain't the saying, mom. Don't mess it up if you're gonna use it. All right, Jay. I got it all out.
Oh no.
I got it all. I got it all out, Jay. Go ahead, man.
You sure? You sure, Chef?
You know, Jake be getting on my last nerve. You know, he contacts me, asks me these those dumb questions and stuff. Like I'm really gonna answer him, and I, it just irritates me. I just want to put out there to the world that Jake from State Farm is not getting my insurance this year.
Hey, hey, you know what? If you didn't come in with your muddy feet on my carpet, I would have cut you a good deal.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Ooh.
James, Rick James,
All right, Jay.
All right.
the
Wow.
So,
celebrations.
right?
Cheese.
So with the four fingers, so the price for that, you say it lines up, then the price, I guess I don't understand. The price won't dip down. It has to step down all the way down to your 800. I guess I don't understand the four fingers exactly how you use it.
All right, bro. So right now, the 1 minute is set up for a perfect full figure sale. Perfect. Like it's in perfect alignment. 50, 200, 450. It's in perfect alignment, right? EMAs are perfect. Everything about it says, I want to sell, right? Matter of fact, this is what Dana called. And I told Dana, problem I got with that is I don't think it's going to go through all four. And if it does, we'll find out when we get a sequence started, right? If we get a sequence, a series, then I'm ready, right? Because it is set up quite nicely for a four finger sale. But this is saying I'm at the gray area. I got a red line that I can conquer on the 1 hour on Wolf. Also, let's look at the 1 minute. Uh, it's still not ready. It's red and the blue. The 5 minute, definitely not ready. Sitting on the doji. See what I'm saying? So the four finger setup, this is perfect, but it's not, but it needs to be set up on more than one chart for me to be like, okay, yeah, that look good. So it's more set up for buy than a sale to me because here it's out of sequence. And in order for it to get in sequence, the 50 got to push up, the green got to push up, the gold got to push up. All those have to push above the 800, which is that blue line. Well, that makes price go up with it when it pushes. But gold is a habitual line stepper too. So gold will say, screw your setup. I'm doing what I want to do. Right. So you got that to contend with. But perfect setup. Let me show you. This was the perfect setup, Jake. So on the 15-minute chart, look at how the 50, look at how they lined up. White, gold, green, blue. Right. When they lined up, look what price did. Price went all the way up and hit the blue line. Okay. So if you would have bought off of the first push right here, if you would have bought off after the doji, that first flat bottom, if you would have bought here, let's just look at it and stopped at the blue line. That's 21 points straight up, 21-point move. Okay.
Stop it at that blue line hit.
Excuse me.
I think somebody was trying to say something.
No, you said something, I thought.
No, so once it hits that blue line, would that be where you would get out?
Yeah, I'm out because then it typically reverses on the blue line for a minute, plays around, and does some funky stuff, decides if it wants to go higher. And I ain't got time. Now, I okay. Let me backtrack. I won't get out when it hit the blue line. I'll get out when I get a reversal, right? If I get a reverse, because I got in down here, I'm good. I can put a stop loss in at 15 to 18, right? 15 to 18 points. I'll put a stop loss in profit and I'll let it ride, or I'll do a trailing stop on it. One, you know what I mean? So I got options at this point because it gave it to me. It gave me all of this. All right, so I'm gonna take advantage of what it gave me. Bam, in your face, Jake.
Oh,
So no,
you got one too, huh?
you just have to be ready for the setup, and it's set up. So again, 5 minute not set up yet. It's still pushing for a buy. 15 set up. It's still pushing for a more buy because now it needs to push the 50 up above the 800. 30 minute set up for a buy. Okay. And that's so now we're trading on a 30 minute because it hasn't hit the 800. Same alignment, Jake, as the 15. Exact same movement. It hasn't hit the 800 and it wants to. So I believe we're going to be buying gold here in a minute, all the way to the 800 EMA, right? On the 30-minute chart. Because now that's the chart is trading off of. It's trading off the 30 minute. So when you hear me say we're trading on this chart, it's because the setup is perfect for the next level EMA on that time frame. Does that make sense? Oh, Jake. Oh, Jake from State Farm. Oh, Jake, I'm talking to you, senor.
You might be working, sir.
Oh, that's right.
Yes, I just pulled up. I was talking to somebody at my
Oh, okay. No, you good.
hospital.
I
Okay,
did all this
what was that,
explaining
Ian?
for you, and you want me to change the sign from bright red to blind as a bad red? No, I just did a lot of explanation, and I didn't know you were not available to hear it.
Sorry.
No worries. I mean, you got to do what you got to do, man. Man's got to work. You know what I'm saying? Man's got to work. You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Let's shout out. All right. All right. So, anyway, Jake, we're trading off the 30 minute. I hope you're with me. Why are we trading off the 30 minute right now, Jake? What has price not done?
Is it because it hasn't broken past the resistant levels?
No, look at the setup. Now we talk four fingers. That's what you asked me about.
Oh, yeah. Hasn't hit the blue line yet.
Right. Now it did it already on the 15, right? It did it already on the 5. Back here. Look, right here. It did it back here. This was a perfect setup right here. White, gold, green, blue. It ran, hit the blue, kept going, went to the next chart. Oh, I didn't finish on the 15. So now I got to finish. I finished on the 15. Oh, I didn't finish on the 30. So now I got to finish on the 30. And that's where we are right now. So even though I'm on the 1 minute, I want to see where the 1 minute's movement is going for flat bottom and all that stuff. But we're trading off the 30 minute. Do not get it twisted. We are definitely trading off the 30-minute chart. And we're using some tools today, right, to help us with our trading. So until this turns blue, I'm not in it. Until we get a flat bottom and it's blue, oh no, we ain't doing it. We got 4 minutes and it's one candle. So we got some blue push here, but we got dots above. So we gotta wait, man. Wait for it to actually set up to want to pay us. In the meantime, and in between time, US 30, I think, is going to sell today because it's trading off the 1 hour and it hasn't hit the 800. So I think US 30 is going to sell. Once it hits my alert, I'll let you guys know. Uh, hey, how many of you guys my Rivian stock? How many bought Rivian when I suggested it? Oh, that many? Wow.
I bought it at I think $10 is what it was.
Yeah, Kim. Yes, honey. Yes. Good. You up pretty nicely. It's a nice 40% increase for you. All right, get ready, man. I think we're about ready to buy gold. It's about, it needs to push right now. See how it's staying in the same area right here. It needs to push above that purple line and then we good. Get ready. Get ready. It's pushing above the purple line, which means if the body of this candle is on that purple line, the next one should open up above that purple line. Nope, not ready yet. See that? This is why doing this is important. So you'll know where the entry is going to be because it looks solid all the way up until what 10 seconds ago. It was definitely solid and it was moving nicely for a buy and decided to reverse. All right, let me go to something that's doing something, which is Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin is trading off of the 15-minute chart. I think it already hit the 800 on the 5. Yep. So now Bitcoin is trading off the 15-minute. It doesn't move quite fluidly as gold, but it will go to that 800 EMA at 62,000 and some change, almost 63,000. So I want to know when it pushes to 61,860. 61,860. And I got a resistance line that's 62,356 for y'all too. I want to know when it gets right there. All right, so everything is on alerts right now. I have nothing that we can get into the market. The news made the market slow down. That's all. That's all. The news made the market slow down. Let me look at US 30. No, US 30 all over the place. Y'all see this? Oh no, that's tomfoolery right there. That's some foolery. 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 Yeah. Oh, so the 30-minute. Now, the 1 hour. I was right. Okay, so it's trading off the 1 hour. So it already did this move. It's got to open below that 50 now on the 4 hour. How much time we got? 30 minutes. Oh, okay, in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, we'll know 2 minutes to the opening bell, by the way. 2 minutes to the bell. Gold is doing the absolute nothing most. It's setting up like it wants to sell, but I really can't tell. Let me go to 1 hour and see where our consolidation area was. Yeah, I remember I drew it last week. I drew gold's movement out for you, right? From here, it was like down, then across, up, down, then across, up, down, then across again. That's where it's attempting to make it back to is that across level. Okay, that across level. Because this time it dipped down. It just completed the U. Okay. It fully completed a U right here. That was the U completion right here at 2318. Now it wants to complete from the looks of it all the way up to this doji at 2336 and possibly 2337. It can go as high as that because we do have again 30-minute here and it typically will exceed the 800 and then let the 50 push up some more. So it's overbought though, like crazy on the higher time frame. All right. Got opening bell about to happen, y'all. Let's go. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what kind of movement we get the bell. Get ready for a buy, possibly above the purple line. All right, that's opening bell. Let's see where US 30. Did that move? Hey, nothing really moved at the bell. What? Nothing like jerk. No running. I guess the news really jacked it up today. Let's see anything all right? Anything? Uh, let's see Rivian. Let's see drop down. Yep. Okay. Rivian come back. That's as low as you should be going based on the RSI. So you probably hit the 800. Hopefully it'll bounce from there and then run back up. If not, it can come all the way back down to $12. So giving you opportunity to get in. Did anybody get Chipotle yet? Chipotle was a Chipotle. That's a new recommendation after the stock split. Um, I got to buy in at 58 because of my setup. Y'all already know four fingers. All right, gold moving. I think gold about to move for us.
And there's news at 10, so maybe that's what they're waiting for.
Okay, good call. Good call. How much time we got on this candle? Okay, I got time to look. News at 10. Yep, pending home sales. That moved it last time. And it's green on Fin. Hmm. All right, let's see. We might get buy up coming right now. Here we come. How much time we got? 9 seconds. I don't trust it till we get above that purple. All right, we opening up flat bottom. Let's get it.
Order.
We should get movement all the way up to at least this area here. So it did hit the first level. So now I'm looking for gold to push all the way up here to 20 to 25. And then we should get a nice shoot through 23, 28 once it decides to really jump. It's playing right now. It ain't doing that. What time? Almost time? 4 seconds. Me a flat bottom. I need this flat bottom to push above that candle. Yep, there we go. And keep going. Now, if we can get that flat bottom to just push all the way up there, y'all, we should be Gucci. Oh man. Yeah, I get a kick out of it. Uphold yourself, flat bottom. Uphold yourself. It ain't doing a good job of uphold itself. That's too much
Order
pullback.
filled.
That's too much pullback. It's a lot of pullback. Good night. Did it still stay flat? It stayed flat. Good morning. Good morning, Dr. L.A. Payne. Uh, this thing is how you doing this morning?
I am fantastically well.
Oh, all right. Fantastically well. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get this wick to turn green and go up higher. It definitely is in a momentum. Let's see.
Now it just broke out at the top of the box, but it's extremely high in the RSI.
Oh, show me. So I mean, US 30 should be moving too. Not quite. That's okay. It's out the top. That's his first break out of the box.
Yes.
What's the distance?
Hold tight.
Just give me the top number. So I
I've
can
got
get
going to like 2331.
23,000.
20,331.
Oh, good night almighty. That's higher than my high. Okay, I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set it at 326 right here. All right. Overbought though.
Just hit for 20.
Hit for 20 points just now.
Yeah, 20 on that.
Okay. Awesome. Bitcoin is golly, man. My eyes ain't liking glasses apparently. Doing too much. Give me a second. I can't. All right, let me see. All right, Bitcoin is gonna run, man. I believe Bitcoin should run. Let's go back to gold. See when it's gonna finish out this move. Ah, see, it set up them corns again already. It can't get a good sequence going, but it needs to pass this wick. It's already committed to passing it right here. So it needs to pass this wick. So I'm about to catch this. We're about to catch all these points on gold. US 30 is coming. Yeah, so like I said, I believe we're gonna sell US 30. I just need to wait for it to hit that alert. I don't want it until it hits that alert. Mm. And let's see if you're gonna push any higher right now. Cause you are way overbought. Good night. It's at 90 in the RSI. Golly. I can't do it, y'all. That's just way too high for the kid. I'm setting a higher, huh?
Just caught another 20.
Well, keep on catching them. I ain't calling it. It's too high for me. It's high everywhere.
Yeah, it's gonna pull back in a minute, I'm quite sure.
Oh, okay. This is where it gotta go. 4 hour. Yeah, it's gotta go there. 20,128. That's NAS high. 20,000. Okay, I see it. And then gold, if it pushes, gold should go to 23.29. Let's see where this is. 23. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Once gold decides to make up its life and its mind on which direction of travel it wants to go in, then we'll get what we're supposed to get out of gold, which is at least five total points by the time we're done. Right now, it's doing the absolute too much for the kid. Too much. But it's
EJ broke out on the top of the box as well.
okay. EJ. What's that measurement? I'm out of whack this week. I didn't measure. So I don't know what the measurements are on anything but gold.
Full distance on the levels is to 172.6.
I don't think it's gonna let me.
Yeah, like 100 plus points, 100, about 114 or so pips.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. And it's oversold too. Oh wow, that's up there. 170. You said 172.6.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's almost overbought on the 4 hour chart, so I don't know if the momentum has looked.
Okay, I got it marked as well. I keep my eye on it. Keep my eye on NAS. See that turnaround? Um, it's too high in RSI. It's at 90. I am
Yeah,
not
they got
dealing
to
with it.
stop that out before the turnaround.
Okay, good. Let me see. Gold. Let me see. Gold could push to the 200. Let me look at what we're getting on this. We're getting a really good, really solid whip here. Hmm. Oh, we're getting a series. One, two, three, four. Series starting for gold. A series is starting for gold. Let me see what we look like here. 3 minutes and 38 seconds to really know. But we can catch. Oh, that's nice. Still blue. We got a solid red flag. Okay. Looks like a decent sell on gold. Two, but let's see how many was that? One, three, that's four flat tops. If we get another flat top, we can take it to the 200 EMA at least. Just wait. And so I still don't trust it just yet, but let's see if this flat top pushes below that left side wick. Then it hits that alert. That means it's going from alert to alert. 2320 to 19 from the looks of it. Yeah, it just depends on if it stays a red flat top and if it goes below that left side candle. It hasn't broken it. And it's 6 seconds left. So it could be a reversal here for a buy. There it is. Reversal.
Nice candle there on a 15-minute chart on gold.
Mm. Not yet on mine, but not yet. Do have a dot, but that's about all I got. See, I'm not. I don't want to really trade until it breaks the zone. It's not breaking out of this area right here. Um, Let me draw another purple so we can just mark a zone, and then we can kind of like stay in that zone. So gold is not pressing out of. Golly, it's not leaving out of this area right here. It's staying right here. So if anything, we can catch zone money. And that would be 21 to 22, 21.50 to 22.50. So I'll take that one. 21.50. Yep. 21.50 to 22.50. 23. So yeah, 22. Yeah. So I'll put that one down as a possible zone move. Oh, it would help if I was on the right currency. All right, let's see. That would be 20. So let me do that again. Let's see. 21.50 will be here. Okay. 21.50 to 22.50. Okay. So 21.50 to 22.50 is our zone on gold. Let me see if I marked that zone right. It looks right. See how it's bouncing here? And let's see who I got on here this morning. Okay. Everybody who I know. Awesome. All right, so that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting on it to pull, do a flip over here. Looks like it's bouncing off of this area. Let me see if it's going to go below the zone or it's going to stay in that zone. Hey, if it stays in the zone, then you know what it's doing. It's zoning. That's all it's doing. All right. And we have been known to make a ton of money in the zone. All right. So NAS is on a tear. Looks like NAS wants to push for higher. So it looks like it might be ready for you, buddy. Uh, and EJ is doing the same. So NAS and EJ are definitely in a buy momentum. Yeah, when it hits my alert, you'll know for sure where we're going with it. Mm. Wow, I can't believe gold is doing like really nothing. It ain't even moving throughout the zone. It's not gold has not exceeded a point yet. Looks like it might be moving toward my objective of that 2150 to 2250. Nope, not even there yet. It's at 2322. Golly, thing moving at a snail's pace. Nope, not yet. Just waiting, guys. We're watching paint dry right now, and that's because the news is in like 13 minutes, man. I believe that's essentially why it's moving so blah. So I'll hang out. We'll hang out for a little bit to catch news action. Let's see. Yep. I don't trust none of them. Bitcoin is the only one that's kind of like, and they ain't doing that either. But it has a consistent move going up. So let's see if it's going to stay in consistency. It hasn't hit my alert yet either. And that's a shallow alert that I set. I'm like, dude, you ain't hit that. That alert is like right there.
Yeah, everything is basically a standstill right now.
Well, there's a goal moving through that zone. So it's at 23. It's headed to 2250 is your TP on that goal. And I think it's going to go up here anyway, but just take your one point and be happy. Because I think it'll go to 2350. All right, so gold is moving. Gold is moving through there. Let's see if it's going to go through the zone and hit 2250. Right. I'll set it at 54. So I know that your point is good. And then it's giving me too much. Hold up. Wouldn't let me set it. That's okay. Y'all see it. You got it set on your screens. That's because I got too many alerts set. That's why I got too many alerts set. So I gotta wait for some alerts to go. I don't want to delete anything yet because I don't know which alerts I really want. You're almost there for your first true finito point on gold. Just need this next candle to act right. It's pushing slow. Man, it's pushing so slow, guys. Golly. Oh well, it ain't my fault. It's the market. Oh, there we go. We got a little bit of movement. A little bit of movement. Oh, that was a fake out. Okay. Give me some more. Do a flat bottom here. How about that? How about a flat bottom and push up there to the purple line? Yeah, let's do that. There you go. There you go, pumpkin. Hit the purple line. Come on. You can do it. Go be doing the most, boy, I swear. Go on up there and hit the purple line, man. It's a zone. It is a zone. Oh my gosh. 16. What is, oh my gosh, go. Well, 2250 hit for you guys. You guys should hit on 2250. I just wanted to finish out the zone move. It ain't even finished some zone. I mean, we're talking about like 19 to 23. It's really not that big of a deal goal.
We have more news in about 8 minutes.
Yep. That's why it's doing this. So appreciate you guys that are hanging out that can hang out because this is boring. This is boring for me. Like, I don't have the desire to keep talking about the moves because it's just doing nothing. So I'm gonna look at what is this? Oh, you did that against a plus. Okay, nice. And okay, we got a red ring around a rosy. Okay, got it. But let's see if it has hit that area yet. What chart was on the 30? Yeah, there it is. Okay, it did hit it. It did hit it. It went through it. Are we in my purple line yet? I see it's moving again. Go to the purple line so I can get this money. Go on up there now. Doing too much. There it is. Who hit? Who hit on gold?
I got it, brother.
Hit.
All right. Got another one coming. Let's see. If we get above here, we finally can take it up to 2328. But it's in the zone, so just be cool, man. It needs to buy out of the zone. So just be cool. Matter of fact, I need to move that zone. The zone is too conservative. I need to move it where a lot of them are peaking. I would say about there, maybe here, out there. Okay, that's more accurate. And then at bottom, I need that to be a little bit more accurate for here. Yeah. So now we have an accurate zone, and I'm not buying anything else until it breaks out. So you got 2322 to 2321. Still got that. You got for back and forth movement through that zone. And it's gonna do that. We got 5 minutes, so it's no telling. Let me see which way I think it's gonna break out. All right, let me hear your opinion. Which way do you think gold is gonna break out once this news actually hits? Come on, somebody. Oh yeah, they breaking back in the box. Good. Nobody? Oh my gosh. Nobody.
What was that last
I
one?
didn't hear what you said.
That's because y'all doing too much.
I didn't hear you either.
What did you
Please
say?
like, share, and subscribe.